Hey guys, this is John with LibertyPreserve.com. I've got a friend of mine, Mike Swanson, that runs WallStreetWindow.com, and he put out a story today, and I kind of wanted to share that with you guys, how if the Dow gets above 17,000, then that's going to trigger a lot more people to come into the stock market. And it's really people that have probably been burned during the last crash in 2008 that, really lost like 50% of their, what they had in there. So they've been really gun shy about getting back in, but these bubbles tend to trick people into buying at the peaks, buying at the top. And Mike calls them, I can't remember what the name he's got for them, but they buy right, at the very top of the market. That's the last little bit of people that can get sucked into a market, in the main. It's not really a mania phase, but it's a peak. And that's not how you make money investing. You don't buy it at the peaks. You buy when people hate the the specific sector and nobody else is talking about it. And really, that's why I'm such a big advocate of buying gold, and gold mining stocks. Today I had one in particular that went up 23%. Yeah, they're volatile, but that's kind of what I like about them. Volatility, I think, can be your friend. I've had a conversation with my wife lately about, should I take this money and start buying some rental properties, or should I really focus on buying, adding to my positions in these junior mining stocks? And, I've been doing that, and I've had some money on the sidelines, and, the dip kind of, I bought in February, and, it went up a lot, I was up about 25% in a matter of about 6 weeks, and I've had two doubles in that time frame, so I doubled my money on two of them. But then it dropped back down, and I've been in the red for several weeks, up to 15 or 20% at times. But I'm almost back into the green now, and I put a good chunk of change in GDXJ the other day, and that's up like 10% since I bought it. I bought it $33, and it's up to 37, I don't know, 37 and a half or something today. So it's up, $4 and some change in just a matter of a week. And I've made, I don't have a lot invested, but I made a good bit of money, really quick. But I'm not looking to trade these stocks. I'm waiting for when you see the new gold bull market on the Wall Street Journal, the front page, or Time Magazine or whatever. When it's in the headlines, that's when I'm going to sell, and I'm going to move on to the next thing that that's real value investing. But if you guys aren't taking advantage of this, you're missing out. You can really, really feather your nest quite well if you're taking advantage of these, distressed precious metal prices, the physical prices and the actual mining companies. Because things are so wound up right now, the price being so low, and being in such a bull market, it's just winding up like a spring. And when it pops, these things are going to explode to the upside. And I'm looking at probably an average return of at least 500% on, overall my whole portfolio, my mining stock portfolio. I may have a few that are, that are duds. Turds is what I call them, and they don't perform like I think they will. But I'm probably going to have one or two that are going to be at least a 10-bagger, if not more. I've already had a couple doubles, and you just don't double buying blue chip stocks like Apple and Coca-Cola and Pepsi-Cola. Yeah, they pay dividends, but I'm young. I'm looking to really get a strong return on my money right now. I still got years of really trying to accumulate wealth, so I'm more aggressive right now, and you got to risk it to get the biscuit, and fortune favors the bold. So if you want to find out more about, what I'm talking about and how you can take advantage of this, I'm going to put a link in the bottom of this video to Mike's website, Wall Street Window, and he puts out a newsletter, a monthly newsletter, and he really, really works hand in hand. He's got a mastermind group, and Mike's analysis is really, really spot on. He's made me a good deal of money, just from communicating with him and him being in touch with the market. So check out the link below, and I'll see you later.